Well, I know I said I was going to make you guys wait, okay? Until I get some redonkulously high view count. But I figured, why the heck make you guys wait? Am I right? So, today, for the first time on YouTube, I show off my collection of handmade, one-of-a-kind balisongs. Oh yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so when I was a kid, I had my first butterfly knife. This is what's left of it. You can see it broke. So, me being creative and sort of wanting to make one that wouldn't break, I took the nuclear option. Solid steel. Guy, well, I kind of made one that would never break. I figured, we do a little scrapping. So I found a piece of about half-inch thick solid steel, and I figured make a balisong from it. You can see an early love of the 42 style handle pattern, but yeah, I made this. Using nothing but a grinder and a hand file, I made this monster of a butterfly knife. And that was the first one I ever made, this big boy. It's a little short, 42 for size comparison. Whoops. Yeah. But you can see it's a little bit short, but it's a monster in the hand. It's gigantic. Like in weight, size, width, you name it. It's a monster. And then, never one to let up, I figured go the opposite route. Again, these are all pretty much made out of carbon steel. But I went the opposite route. I went from really tiny to really big. Made this guy as my next one. And you can see it's got the opposite issue. This guy was a little short. This guy is freaking gigantic. You can see it's got 3 inches on the 42 in about every regard. Then I got my hands on some channel aluminum, and I figured, boom, handles right away. So that was the next thing I did, was make these two. Whoops. Yeah. These two in succession. And this one has the opposite problem of that one. This one's actually fairly light. This guy, massively heavy blade, nothing in the handles. And then, never one to rest on my laurels, I figured I got a little bit of my blade material stock left. So I made this guy. Tin handles, tiny. Just kind of play around, see what I could do, see what I can make. And then, most recently, this guy. Oop, yeah. You can see they all kind of have a general pattern they follow. This sort of fish belly kind of way about them. But yeah, all pin construction. And all made by me. So, yeah. Nothing else really to say about them. Just spent years making butterfly knives and, yeah. Figure make a video about it. So, yeah. Didn't make you, though. You get out of here. I did not make you. But yeah. Made all these guys, though. Each one of them handmade. Well, catch you guys later.